So when it comes to color correcting and color grading in Final Cut Pro, there's a certain method that I like to use that saves me a ton of time. I basically create a custom preset that I then can apply to a clip or a whole sequence of clips. So I wanted to share it with you in hopes that you can save a little time when editing as well. So let's jump into Final Cut and see what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we are in Final Cut, and I've already selected 4 clips for this demonstration. And to be honest, you can use this for a 10-minute video if you wanted. So the first thing I want to do is I always go and balance the color, see what that does. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. See what that did. There we go, that looks good. Okay, then the second thing I want to do is I want to start adding some effects here. Let's add some vibrancy. Let's add some sharpness. And I'm only going to do this to the first clip for now, because I'll show you how I apply it to the rest. Let's add some crisp contrast, and then we'll go ahead and add our color wheels. Okay, so there we have it. Now let's go ahead and zero all this out. Sharpness down, vibrancy down, balance color. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to save this as an effects preset with all the things we just added. This is all the basics I use for every video. We're going to call this Start Here and put it in basics. Bam. So now when I want to edit every other clip, I come over here, go down to basics, start here. Okay, so now that we have our effects preset saved, let's go ahead and color correct and color grade this clip. Let's look at our video scopes, our color wheels. So I'll go ahead and speed this up, save us some time, and just let you know this footage right here is from an upcoming Colorado Springs video I'm in the process of making. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and subscribe, and I should have that done here not too long. I'll also go ahead and link it in the description when it's done. So now that we have this clip color graded the way we want, we'll go ahead and hit Command C to copy it, select all the rest of the clips we want to affect, go up here to edit, paste attributes, and we don't want balance color. Volume's already done, we don't want that. Everything else we use, so let's go ahead and paste. Bam. Now every clip is color graded exactly the same way. Okay, the second way, I loaded a second demo here with some different footage just to show you that if you have different changing clips, you can add it. What I like to do in this case is go up here and add an adjustment layer. We're going to stretch out our whole clip. Let's take our Start Here preset, drag it onto the adjustment layer. Let's say you have alternating clips from talking head to action shots to drone shots. What you want to do is just go up to your adjustment layer, Command B to cut that, Command B. Now you can adjust this adjustment layer to this clip. So now every video that I go to edit in the future, I can just drag this custom preset, the Start Here preset that I created, onto my first clip, every clip, or an adjustment layer. You can also add anything else you want to this preset. Let's say like a LUT loader, so you can apply a LUT to the whole video at one time. It makes the whole process so much faster. So there you have it. I hope you learned something from that. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. It's like giving me a big slap on the ass. And when you subscribe, it's like giving me a big